Sipag lang, walang sistema. Kailan ka huling nakatulog ng mahimbing anak? I remember my coaching clients, let's call them Chris and Matet. 5 years na silang in their automotive parts business. Both were working long hours daily and so they relied on Matet's mother to take care of their children. So Chris handled all mechanical installations while Matet managed accounting and inventory. They were drowning in tasks, walang time kahit kumain ng maayos. And this is not healthy. I told them, hindi kayo spare parts na pwedeng palitan with broken, ha? Diba? Even husband-wife teams need boundaries and systems. So here's what worked for them. First, they hired an assistant mechanic. They were hesitant kasi baka daw dagdag gastos. But you know, their productivity eventually doubled. Second, they defined clear roles. Hindi lahat ng decisions pinag-uusapan. Each became an expert in their assigned areas. Third, they invested in a simple inventory system. Now they close shop at 6 p.m. instead of 9 p.m. Ang lesson is this: your business is like a car. It needs regular maintenance para hindi masira sa daan. Hindi lang ang business ang dapat asikasuhin, hindi pati ang mga nagpapatakbo nito. Remember, a burnt-out entrepreneur leads to a burnt-out business. Now, Chris and Matet have time for their children and for each other. Nakakakain na sila ng sabay-sabay, and I'm sure that's something you also desire both for your family and your business, right? So let's be business-minded, Pinoy.